welcome to Artistic Adventures by Rosie, where creativity knows no bounds and every stroke tells a story. Today, we embark on a journey of self expression as we explore how to delicately sketch a girl's back and intricately draw beautiful hearts using just a pencil. Begin by outlining the graceful curves of the girl's back. Pay attention to the subtle contours and lines, capturing the elegance and femininity of the form with each stroke. Add details such as the spine, shoulder blades, and the gentle slope of the shoulders. These subtle nuances will bring depth and realism to your drawing, creating a sense of intimacy and vulnerability. Now let's dive into the world of hearts. Start by sketching the basic shape of a heart, experimenting with different sizes and angles to create visual interests. Add intricate patterns or designs within the heart, such as swirls, flowers, or even tiny symbols that hold personal meaning. Let your imagination run wild as you infuse each heart with its own unique charm and character. Use shading to add dimension to your artwork, enchanting the three-dimensional effect of the girl's back and giving depth to the hearts. Play with light and shadow to create a sense of depth and realism. Take a step back and admire your work. Is there anything you would like to adjust or refine? Don't be afraid to experiment and make changes until you are refused with the result. Finally, add any finishing touches to your drawing. Whether it's subtle highlights, additional details, or a touch of whimsy, let your creativity guide you as you put the final polish of your masterpiece. Congratulations, you have completed a captivating exploration of beauty and emotion through the art of sketching. Join us again soon for more artistic adventures with Rosie, where imagination knows no bounds and creativity reigns supreme. Thank you very much.